I just want to say thank you, Lord, for giving me this ability to write and convey my thoughts in a manner that can help other people. It's truly a beautiful thing. Love. Let's see where the day leads. It's 3 o'clock and I'm wavy, hitting the streets, cameras are rolling. Me and my friends, I sit and I soak in the moment. I own it, don't want it to end. Feeling like this every now and again. I'm trying to end. We just getting started, go grab you a seat and tell all your people we came to compete. It's week in and week out, I'm giving you heat. Sheesh, now back to the story. No longer searching for glory, but searching for love and peace of mind. The beauty in life always enters in signs. You listen to me, I promise you find. Not hard to define, be one with nature, breathe in the pine. Look at the water and how it just shines through the sun's reflection.
Oh my God!
Gotta stop obsessing over our possessions. Whine, complain, we must reprogram our brains. See, we all do the same. Most times we feel drained. At some point in this simulation, you gotta get started and
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए।
पहली फुर्सत में निकल।
ओके
बस हवा निकल गई।